About 2 hours north of Los Angeles and 4 hours south of the San Francisco Bay Area lies a small school at the edge of a remote and wild landscape. For more than 80 years, it has been a rigorous college-preparatory boarding school with values and lessons deeply rooted in its beautiful natural environment. Here lies a community of co-ed students in grades 9 through 12 and the faculty that not only instruct them, but help them to develop through the transitional years and experiences faced by all adolescents. Midland is a rustic, simple school on a campus that still retains its strong identity as a former ranch. Here, a simple, self-reliant lifestyle, close to nature, teaches us to develop our inner resources, to distinguish between needs and wants, and to appreciate life's fundamental joys and challenges. Through living their education, Midland students learn timeless lessons of character development, community, self-reliance, grit, and integrated academics that are relevant now more than ever before. Midland stands firmly amongst the top boarding schools in North America. 8 decades of graduates say Midland defined them and positioned them for success. The outcome of a Midland education is that students see themselves as participants rather than spectators in their world. Midland is the leader in place-based education, an educational model that increases academic achievement, helps students develop strong ties to their community, enhances students' appreciation for the natural world, and creates a heightened commitment to serving as an active, contributing citizen. Place-based education is rooted in the integrated core curricular activities of science, mathematics, social studies, language arts, and fine arts, and is applied by extending the classroom into the landscape. We use technology to have access to all the necessary information that is required for academic purposes, while offering a respite from the distractions of constant digital media. Midland students are unplugged and connected, unplugged from cell phones and have limited access to Wi-Fi, but they are connected to the place, their classmates, and the faculty. From 9th grade to senior year, students move from a me to we orientation. Midland is a time-tested educational model that simply works, and works simply for adolescents who all want and need responsible adults to be in their lives. Midland graduates are prepared to excel in college and beyond. Paul Squibb, a Kent School alumnus and Harvard graduate, and his wife Louise, founded Midland in 1932. The school was created to be a small, rural community that relies on the work of its inhabitants to meet its basic needs. Each student has a daily job that develops a sense of usefulness. Our students have a strong sense of who they are and what it takes to be a responsible citizen and member of the community. Today, Midland's community is 85 students strong, with a 4-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio. At Midland, every student belongs, each is useful, and they all learn that what they do matters. We invite you to Midland to experience the power of this place and the timeless education we deliver.